Transforming your front yard into a captivating space doesn't have to be a daunting task. In fact, with the right inspiration and a touch of creativity, you can create a welcoming and visually appealing landscape that enhances your home's curb appeal. Here are some fun and easy front yard landscaping ideas to spark your imagination and help you get started on your outdoor beautification project. One of the most effective ways to create a sustainable landscape is by incorporating native plants. These plants are well adapted to your local climate and soil conditions, making them easier to maintain. Plus, they provide essential habitats for local wildlife. Consider planting a variety of perennials, shrubs, and ornamental grasses that bloom at different times throughout the year for continuous visual interest. A well-defined pathway can guide visitors to your front door while adding structure to your landscape. You can use materials such as flagstone, gravel, or decorative pavers to create a beautiful walkway. Consider lining the pathway with low-growing flowers or shrubs to enhance the aesthetic appeal and make the entrance to your home more inviting. Add personality to your front yard with decorative elements such as garden sculptures, bird baths, or colorful planters. These features can serve as focal points and create a unique charm. Choose items that reflect your style and complement the overall theme of your landscaping. If space allows, consider creating a small seating area in your front yard. A couple of comfortable chairs and a small table can create an inviting spot to relax and enjoy your garden. Add some outdoor cushions and a shade umbrella for comfort and style. This not only enhances your landscaping, but also encourages outdoor living. Color plays a crucial role in landscape design. Incorporate a variety of colorful flowers, foliage, and hardscaping materials to create a vibrant and harmonious landscape. Consider using contrasting colors to make certain areas pop and draw attention. Planting seasonal flowers can also provide a changing palette throughout the year. Outdoor lighting can dramatically enhance the beauty of your front yard, especially in the evening. Consider installing solar-powered path lights, string lights, or uplighting to illuminate trees and architectural features. Not only does effective lighting add safety and security, but it also creates a warm and inviting atmosphere. Transforming your front yard into a beautiful and functional space is within reach when you draw inspiration from these fun and easy landscaping ideas. Whether you opt for native plants, decorative elements, or a cozy seating area, remember that the goal is to create an outdoor space that reflects your personality and enhances your home's curb appeal. So roll up your sleeves, get inspired, and start crafting your dream front yard today.